Okay, construction action going on at Belmont Park in the infield, July 8th, 2023. There's a dump truck. There's the shovel. They're digging dirt. They're carrying the dirt, doing all kind of stuff with the dirt. Shovel's busy at work. It's the shovel. More action in the infield than on the track. It's the shovel. Huge mouthful of dirt, waiting to deposit that dirt into the waiting bin of a dump truck. Oh, there's the dump truck. And gravity will do its work right now. There it goes. Once again, gravity works. You can always rely on gravity. Another big mouthful of dirt. A huge mouthful of dirt. And there it goes. Huge deposit. And here, big extension, long extension. Huge clump full of dirt in the mouth of the shovel. And there goes the dirt into the dump truck. And here's the other dump truck number 2. The dump truck, the shovel, the dirt, action at Belmont Park. Another huge mouthful of dirt going into the bin of the dump truck. Massive. Look at this. Huge extension. Tremendous extension. Tremendous lifting. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Gravity will do its work right now. Do its magic. There it goes. Into the dump truck. And there goes the dump truck on its way to its appointed destination. And here comes the second dump truck number 2, I'll call it. Waiting patiently for its friend, the shovel, to prepare the next mouthfuls of dirt. Yeah. Look, the dump truck, the shovel, the other dump truck. Oh, 2 operators have exited one of the dump trucks. I wonder what the problem is. If there is a problem, why would they exit the dump truck? Those are the pipes. Apparently, we'll be laying down pipes at some point in the infield. Two dump trucks. One coming, one going. Oh, right now, neither one is moving. Oh, okay. There goes the yellow dump truck moving west. The white dump truck remains stationary. The shovel continues to work, moving dirt. Move that dirt. That's what it's about. They're moving the dirt, excavating. Okay. This is very exciting. The white dump truck is moved into position to receive a large load. And there it goes. What extension! Wow. Yeah, scooping up a huge clump of dirt. Tons of dirt. Depositing the dirt and doing it again and again and again until the dump truck is full. Look at this. Magnificent. Congratulations to the skill of the person who's operating that equipment. Tremendous skill. Magnificent. Another load being deposited. Tremendous extension.